welcome to another video. Today I'm going to make a review on the new app that Filmora made called Vlogit. As it seems not too many people know about this app because it's really new. Actually it is really nice. So without wasting any more time, let's see how it works. So to add your videos you have two options. One from your camera and from library. So now I have two ready-made videos, so let's see them. This one and this one. So just like that you put it on the working place. I don't think you will be able to hear the voice because it doesn't connect, so sorry for that. Firstly, to cut a video you just click on it and then the pen appears. Just press it and now you can trim, split, snapshot for thumbnails, crop, rotate and other things. So firstly I want to trim this video, so let's do it like this. Yeah, you can move it around however you like. So I think this is enough. Let's see how it looks. It's nice. We are going to do the same for the other one. Just trim it down. There's a part where he jumps, so that's what I want to get. Let's see now if it is okay. Play it. Nice, this is it. Just do it like this. Now we have both the clips. If you want to change the places, just move it around. Now this is the first clip, so now I'm going to put a title in here. This is enough. To put a title you go to text, choose whichever one you like. I like the classic one, not too complicated. So let's press OK. Text. Let's change the texts. Vlogit tutorial. Press done and see how it looks now. Let's change the font. This looks way better. Let's make it bigger and it's enough. Here you can change the color. I will keep it white. Also let's try the other styles. Vlogit. Okay, this is interesting. I have to change the font. Let's keep it normal for now. Also, I totally forgot about this. You can make different effects of the text. So let's use this glitch effect. And also you can adjust the timeline where you want it to be. So let's make it a little bit shorter. Let's see how it looks now. Yeah, it's okay. So basically if you wanted to make it better, just play around with it. After text we have stickers, which I won't ever use because I don't think they're interesting. I'm a vlogger. Really, they are not really worth it. So here you have audio, which I can show you because you can't hear it. You have different types of music from Filmora itself, effects and songs you have in your device. Also you can make voiceovers, so try that alone. I'm not going to make one here. And now two transitions. They are really interesting. My favorite one is this one. It's just really clean. Also you can play around with it. So for now let's use this one. Also you can adjust the speed, slower or faster, which I will do it on this clip, make it a little bit slower. And for the final it's filters. So you can use whichever you like and adjust how strong you want it to be. But really I'm not a fan of this. If you want to do filters or to make color correction, just use it on your laptop. Because on your phone I don't think it's going to be good enough. So after you do all of this you have to export the video. To export the video click up here and it will start exporting just like that. You can create or capture a thumbnail and also draw if you are a good drawer, why not? Yeah, that's a really nice thumbnail. So now you can choose where to save it. Let's save it to camera roll. And it's already done. So for now I give this application an 8 out of 10. They can improve a lot of things. As I said, it's really nice. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like and subscribe. I have a lot of Filmora tutorials. So I will see you on another one. Bye.